Hi everyone, and welcome to the weekly market outlook. Hope you guys are fine, hope you're doing well. So let's go and see what you're having currently today on the market and this week to keep an eye on. So first I will go through the published idea that I have posted over there on TradingView. So for those who are first time there, what we are doing, we are trading based on wave analysis. It's just a little bit upgraded version of wave analysis, but the basic concept is Elliott wave theory. And if you guys would love to join our team, feel free to join us. You just have to pay the membership, and if you do like so, you'll have to go to the www.tradewithmaster.eu website, find the membership tab, fill out the form, and I will give you the access to all the educational videos, to our community, to our live daily webinars. Okay, and you will be the part of the team. So what we're doing basically inside of the group, we are taking trades together. We are having this spreadsheet where we are training people how to trade, how to take live trades, how to be responsible for trades, and how to behave in the live market conditions. So if you guys have any questions during this webinar, feel free to use the chat. I will answer all your questions. So for those who are watching me on YouTube, you can use the chat as well. I can see all the chats. So let's start. I will go now through those published ideas that I have already now on the screen, and let's have a comment on then how they goes and what we have to keep on and what is still active. So I have posted a big weekly correction on New Zealand yen for a buy. Okay, so what the price is currently doing? Price is still there, didn't do anything. So what the price can do, it can just go back at the top, break the top, but this move still has to come before we will have a next extension to the upside. And another option which can still develop over there during those weeks is that this could go a little bit higher, even break the high. It will just give us the running flat and still has to come down and then it will go up. Okay, so pattern will not change that much. What we will have to do is we just have to trade over there this wave to the downside. It's tradable and you can make nice money still over there. Of course we'll have to watch the lower time frame, yes. 4 hour flag from one downside New Zealand Chief. So that one was a wonderful trade, did an amazing job, went down again. There was a lot of sell stops here. He went down again. Nice aggressive sell was over there. So for those who took it, you did a really good job. I received a couple of messages from the people that were there on the webinar where we were discussing about that idea, and they took the trade over there. Okay, they took the trade, so very good, very nice. I'm really happy that you guys are learning based on this webinar, because I know that you can make some money out of this webinar if you will follow the steps that I'm showing with you. Okay, of course you can generate money. So what you can do now in the upcoming weeks there on the New Zealand Chief, upcoming move will still be the corrective movement and one more leg lower. Okay, so I still see this correction to appear and then more downside can appear. Okay, so something like this is very possible that can appear over there, and then we'll go more downside. So keep an eye there, watch how that develops. That's a really good chart, New Zealand Chief. Okay, your Chief went down earlier than we thought. Okay, what it did, it break the top slightly and then starts to breaking lower. Okay, so what it should do now, correct and more downside, breaking this low. So this week probably we will have the pattern completion over there, and then we'll go for one more leg lower to break the previous low. Still a good chart. There was a lot of sell stops from the top to the downside. There is still some of them are forming. Now we can have a little bit bigger correction over there before next drop, but I don't see currently this kind of situation. So I think this will have a just deeper pullback and then more downside. You have to be ready for this sell. It's gonna be a nice one. And your Chief, this one is gone. This is how I was guiding you, showing you how patterns can change. Okay, this didn't drop, correct, then for more downside it went up, break the top, slightly tag it, and then reacts and then go lower. Okay, so you should be able to catch this one. Okay, so from spot over there you will have to recognize it that this is completed movement. And then of course pound chief, what it did, it went down, tag this one, run for another leg higher, break all those tops, gives us the bigger correction over there, and then went slower. Okay, still good chart. What it could do, something like this, and then it can just go up, and then from there it will start dropping. So still sell is coming, you just have to stay patient to go for this sell. Okay, so for the buy, I don't think you are skilled enough or you can catch a nice trade to the upside. If you do so, you'll have to be patient enough. Euro dollar, what it did, let's see, went down aggressively, right? So it works really nice. Okay, what we are doing over there works really nice. It's kind of simple to understand, so you just have to follow it. There was a nice flag over there from the top, so you will be able to catch it from total top. Now what the price is doing currently, I think we will have a flat over there, another leg higher gives us the bigger correction before drop. Okay, something like this is what can develop there in the upcoming days. And then of course your chief, yeah, this one was the oldest idea, that was from the start. Okay, we anticipated this movement, it didn't go that much, but it goes nicely, right? So this move was tradable. You just have to recognize those flags on time, take the trades over there, and this will be all your trades. Okay, once we tag the top, tag it, break it, whatever, you have to take off all your profits, or at least on this scenario over there, once it shows you the sell setup is there, that's where you have to cut off your profit. Also, this is the old, went up a little bit higher and then dropped, so this is gone idea. Pound yen went lower, you should take off your profit, and then went higher, so nothing there. And this is mostly everything, yeah. Euro New Zealand trying to go higher, and the other ideas are just the old ideas. Okay, so nothing is. This one was as well a good one. You see how wave analysis works perfectly. So it went up, went down, okay, and then now it's pushing back again. Okay, so now I will show you a couple of pairs over there, so you will see what you should watch on. And if you have any question, just feel free to ask. Okay, do not hesitate, don't feel ashamed to use the live chat. I'm here to help you understand the market behaviors. Okay, so let's see DXY. What we can anticipate from the DXY is this one will go lower. Okay, that one has to go lower. Gives us something like running flat over there probably, and then another leg higher, break the top, then deeper correction, and they will go totally to the upside. So this whole year we will have some struggles over there till the November. Probably will go up and down, and if you would love to generate money, you have to understand how to trade this movement, you have to understand how to trade this movement, and then you will have to understand how to trade these moves. Okay, so all those moves needs to be traded. Okay, if you want to make money, if you want to generate money, you have to understand the structure, how it develops and how it moves. So USD CAD, what we are having over there. Okay, so we have spotted over there that this is going lower. Okay, yesterday we saw that USD CAD has to go one more leg lower to complete the movement, and then next push to the upside. So what it did, nicely went lower. What is it currently doing? Is this a buy? No, that's not a buy stop. It is still struggling over there, and it can still go for another leg lower, then up, and then it will go lower. So what you should do, what can I anticipate in the upcoming hours? I still think that this is another leg lower over there. Okay, so this is what I see. I don't see any buy setup currently as it stands right now. So let me just shorten those trend lines. So this will just struggle there and then go lower, attack the trend, and then another leg higher will appear over there. So something like expanded flat will appear over there, and then we'll have another leg lower, break those highs, and then it will start to reverse, or even just tag this high. So going lower, going higher, tag the highs, and then it can start pushing lower. So this will be the spot where you all should start watching it. Very interesting spot to watch. Okay, so that one probably go for one more high, give you the flat going lower, giving you a nice flat over there, and then it will go higher. Probably by the end of the week this will be completed. Mexican. If this goes up and down, then we have a total buy over there, so leave it for now. I will not chase it from the place it stands right now. There it will be the deeper correction, something like this, going higher. And let's see what we're having currently from here. This could just extend up, give you something like this, and then going lower and then going up. So keep an eye on it. USD, that has to give us the bigger correction. So I don't think this is all of the correction that we have. There should be at least one more correction, even tagging this high before next leg lower, which will revisit the previous lows. This is kind of possible target. So this struggling over there, even tagging the high before next push lower, it's very, very possible. So keep an eye on it. Aussie Chief. Yeah, this could still go lower, but correction it's kind of possible for one more leg lower and then going up. Also New Zealand, let's wait for the correction, then sell. Yes, this is a bigger correction in the making, so we'll have a next leg lower. Aussie yen short, let's see. No, definitely not. Don't short it as it stands right now, okay? That's kind of risky, so you have to watch this correction development over there. This could still go and revisit the previous tops, and it would be easier or better for you to watch price actions from somewhere there around the previous top. So let it do whatever it wants to do. This could just go down, giving you the flat over there, and then continuously pushing higher, struggle somewhere there, even breaking, and then it can go lower. So don't rush, okay? Yens are not ready yet as they look like. 1 hour, yeah, they will just go for the correction. Okay, this will just drop down, giving you some kind of the running flat over there, and then next leg higher. It's very, very, very possible. Okay, so it can get complicated, so be aware that you know what you're doing over there from the spot where we are currently. So guys, just feel free to ask questions. Don't feel ashamed. There's nothing, so sorry. Aussie cat. This is trying to push lower, but let's see. We need to see at least the correction there before next leg higher, because this could be a nice extension for another bigger correction and then going lower. So be careful that this structure development will not appear over there. Any sell needs a flag over there before we'll take a sell back at the previous low. This will be just a small trade over there. New Zealand USD up and down, struggling, so that could be just a nice flag for more upside over there. Watch it, see this development over there, and then rather watch to sell it from the trend lines. That's gonna be way more interested trade and way more interested spot to sell from. New Zealand Chief, same there. That could be a nice correction in the middle, another leg higher, and then it will go lower. Okay, keep an eye on it. New Zealand Cat, this to go lower, struggle somewhere there, and let me just see the 1 hour correction. Expanded flat, something like this, or like this. Struggle there, lose its momentum, and then this leg higher. Okay, so something like this, back at the trend line. It's what we will see in the upcoming week. So I really think and see that there it will be a nice buy stop, a nice buying chances over there. Euro dollar. Euro dollar is really interesting because it looks like the euro economy will have a really bad time. Okay. Now the question is, will this struggle the whole summer, let's say, the whole summer gives us the big flat, okay, and then they will drag lower totally, possible, okay, so by the end of the summer, we could see that the prices will start pushing lower, so that will gives us the signs that euro is gonna have a really bad time. If we watch the weekly, what the weekly is showing, I really see that this movement it's very possible and it's gonna happen in 99.9%. It's what I see over there is gonna happen for the euro dollar. This leg lower. So what you can do, wait for the sell stops or track that 4-hour time frame. Okay, so let's see how this develops over there. Keep an eye. If this will be the corrective structure, then we'll have another leg lower. If this will not be the corrective structure, kind of aggressive one, then you can expect there the bigger flat formation. Going higher, breaking out of trend line will not indicate that we will have a buy over there. It still has to go lower. Your chief. Nothing for now. Okay, that looks like a seller right now. That looks like a sell there. 1 to 3. We're having a sell stop. So keep an eye. Let's see, this is going lower. Okay, so if it stops by the previous low, then we can have an extension and flat and then going lower. So watch it carefully. Your cat going up definitely. How far? This one. This could just struggle there and then going higher, or as it stands right now, it could start anytime soon. So keep an eye on this, wait for the flag, take a trade. It's gonna be an interesting wave to the upside. Here, Aussie. This will probably struggle there a little bit more. Then if it drops, stops something like this, gives you the running flat, it's gonna go back at the top, break those tops, and then it will push for another leg lower. So you know what to do. You can start selling it there and see how far it goes, how fast it goes, and then decide based on that. Here in New Zealand, wait for the sell stop. Okay, this is something in the making. Okay, so how far, how long it could struggle there, and then definitely what we'll have to catch is sell. How far the sell can go, quite a nice. Okay, so this is the very good chart to watch. I will delete this one. This is very good chart to watch. It can go down nicely, so watch that development over there. Okay, on 4 hour, on 1 hour, this is what you have to watch on and see how it goes. I really think that this is going to go lower. Very aggressive shot to the downside. Don't sell now. Okay, now is where you should not sell, because selling based on analysis makes no sense. So keep an eye, watch it. I would love to see there some struggling like this and then a nice opportunity to sell. Even going a little bit higher, something like this, even retest the previous top and then drop. That in this case it will give us the double top formation and then go lower. So very possible situation. Your GBP. This one has to struggle over there a little bit more and then still has to go lower. Yeah, that could just go something like this, giving you the flat, then we're gonna go extend this movement and then gonna go lower. Hello Maiden, welcome to the webinar. Haven't seen you for a while. What do you think about Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin is having kinda hard times. Kinda hard times for Bitcoin. Let's see, where is the Bitcoin? I don't think this is the all, and we are going totally to the opposite. Okay, so what I'm anticipating currently for the price over there, it's that we can have another correction and one more drop. This is what I expect. So next upcoming weeks, I see that the Bitcoin will have some sort of correction, bigger consolidation there on daily 4 hours, something like that, and then it will drop from one more leg lower to make a new low, and then it should start its way to the upside. So that's my view. Oh, you have to work. Oh yeah, right. That's great. So this is what I see from the Bitcoin. Do you see the similar kind of view, or hope that nobody is not investing or let's say buying cryptos right now as it stands right now. Okay, so don't be stuck by the people who are trying to push you that you have to buy the cryptos, because buying the crypto as it stands right now, it's too early and it's not making sense. Nobody cannot define where the bottom is, and this is currently not the bottom. It doesn't look like a bottom, so don't be stuck over there. Give it a couple more months, let's say, before you'll start investing in the crypto market. Is there anyone who are already trying to buy some crypto or already bought some cryptos? Hope you didn't, but let's see. So this is the anticipated movement. I will just draw it. So another leg lower, break the low, and then the price to start pushing higher. That's what I see. So this leg lower is very possible. If you want, you can go and buy with the short-term buy stop, but there is no short-term buy stop. That still looks like a sell, so don't be stuck over there. That still has a nice sell stop, so this could, oops, sorry. This could even drop lower or even go higher, drop and give you the more complicated structure, something like this. Okay, so if I go into details, this now going higher, then drop, and then going higher, something like it did there. Okay, exactly, went up, so went up, then the correction, and then another leg higher. Okay, and then another leg higher, and then this all will be one big huge correction. This is what we'll have, and then the price will go break those lows, and then we will finally find the bottom and start its way to the upside. So don't be too fast. That's what I'm seeing on the Bitcoin, or how I anticipate that the Bitcoin will develop during the upcoming few days or weeks, let's say like that, until the 18th of July. The price will be struggling there, I think. Okay, so nothing big. If you guys are investing just for the short term over there, it's as well okay. Okay, don't hold the positions, don't hold them for too long. It's not a long term setup, let's say like that. Beautiful leg, yeah. So do you guys have any questions? So let's go back for the crypto, for the Forex. There was a couple of pairs that I would love to share with you. So yeah, this one will be interesting. Let's do whatever it wants to do. Let this correction to develop and then take a sell. Of course, your New Zealand is the same development. It's what you have to wait before next sell setup over there. Daily, as you can see, as I have shown you, this is the leg I'm anticipating back at the previous low. Maiden, thank you very much for your support as well. You are welcome. Okay, so the rest is not looking interesting. Yen pairs, yeah, right. Currently, I just forget to comment the yen pairs. Yen pairs are still in this huge correction. Okay, so they can just slightly go tag the tops, and then they will still have to go lower. Can they break out? Yes. Be careful, this could break out and still has to come lower. Okay, that's just gonna give you the running flat before the next push higher. Weekly, what we're having on the weekly, yeah, price is kind of strong over there, but this is needed before next push to the upside will appear on the daily, on the higher time frame. So no trading there currently. Don't chase the buy. I really don't want to take a buy over there. That's gonna be the running flat, one more push to the upside, break the top, and it has to go lower. If you want to go for the buy, just let it pull back. Okay, you want to see the running flat over there before you will be a buyer, so don't chase it too early. Yen, it's what I'm not interested. I will wait, will let it do whatever it wants to do, and then I will start watching it from there. Okay, that's my spot from where I will start watching it for this leg lower. Okay, that's what I'm anticipating, another push to the downside. So keep an eye over there. Rather skip this small buy, which is not worth of taking it. Okay, there's gonna be a bigger movement, more money it's coming. You just have to be patient. Don't push the market over there as it stands right now. CAD-yen, same there. You see, all yen pairs are the same. Okay, let them do whatever it want to do. Okay, they can just struggle over there, go back, tag that top again, and then there will be the flat. Okay, so they are kind of similar. This one as well. Okay, let it drop, giving you the running flat. Let it go up, maybe something like this, giving you the flat, and then gonna go lower. Okay, to that low. Your yen, same picture. You already know the answer. What should you do? Okay, let it do whatever it wants to do. Struggle probably, and then going lower, at least back to this low, another leg higher, and then going lower. So this is the scenario, but definitely you have to watch for this sell first. Okay, let it do. Okay, let this buy complete itself. Don't chase it as it stands right now. Okay, selling from the current spot, it's not making sense. Even selling it from there, putting your stop loss over there, it's not making any sense. Okay, you will not make money that way. You just have to wait for the proper sell stop. This one will be good. Okay, another leg lower, it's possible, something like this, and then this is very big structure for more upside. Okay, so you see all yen pairs are pointing to the downside. I don't see any buy stop as it stands right now. I will not chase it, would rather just patiently wait for the sell. Chief yen, let it do whatever it wants to do. It's kind of strong, so not interested. Yen is the same. Okay, probably to just drop and then go higher, so sell stop, keep an eye on it. Pound chief, this one will probably as well go struggle there and then has to drop. Okay, these to complete maybe tomorrow, and then you can catch it. Okay, so keep an eye over there. Pound USD, this could just do something like this, then go up and then go lower. Bigger correction can appear, or even this one. Yes, can this one even can start dropping back at the previous low, and then we'll have a flat before next leg higher. So watch it. That looks pretty much corrective. That's pretty much corrective structure. So rather wait and expect the break to the downside. It's gonna be better movement. Okay, so this movement is gonna be better than any other. Pound Aussie. We take the high. Are we going lower? Yes. This is just the structure, and we just have to go lower. Hello, I'm fine, thank you for asking. I'm doing fine, how are you? So I think this is a huge correction for more downside, so keep an eye over there. Okay, I will just tag it like this, so we all know what we're talking about. I will delete this trend line, it's just confusing us, so we'll just place it like this, so we all know what we should do. Okay, watch for sell stops over there in this structure. Okay, this is the structure we are currently having. We break the high, so we have one, and we have this as the correction. We break the high, so that's the completed movement, and now we are pointing to the downside. Okay, so as well, this is a good chart to watch, so keep an eye on it. Sorry, keep an eye on it for this movement over there. At least back at the trend line, it's gonna be the first target, or even breaking it out and tagging this lower there. Okay, that's gonna be the maximum target, but this movement is the first which you are aiming for. Pound New Zealand. I will leave it, not interested. Same this one, let it do whatever it wants to do. And as well this one. This one can just correct and go more downside. This can struggle before next push lower. Maybe on Wednesday, by the end of the week, maybe that's gonna be ready. But just watch it. This should be the corrective structure before next drop to the downside. Okay, so if we sum up everything, Euro New Zealand is the good chart to watch for the sell. Euro GBP is as well a good chart to watch for the sell. Pound Chief as well. Let it correct and then going lower over there. Pound USD, same there. This development is what you should watch. Pound Aussie is the same. Okay, we are in a nice structure there, and another leg lower. It's possible to tag the previous low, so very good and interesting chart to watch is Pound Aussie. Okay, those who are tagged with the red arrows, they are interested. The rest is not so interested. And yeah, USD CAD will be interested in the next couple of, let's say, hours. Okay, that still looks like a sell over there. Yeah, correct. That's gonna be the sell over there, and then another leg lower. Okay, this is just one pullback that's going lower. Okay, maybe we can watch it as well. So if we watch it, what we should watch, let me just sort this Aussie yen. I will just Aussie New Zealand has to be there. Your GBP, okay, New Zealand Chief has to be there. Your USD has to be there. So what we are watching is this one. Pound Aussie, Pound Chief. These are the good charts to watch. So your GBP, your New Zealand, and Pound USD, Pound Aussie. Very good, this one's very good. Look at that one, it's sitting at the top. We just need to see some good reactions. So I will try to publish the charts over there on my TradingView profile. So those who are not following me over there, just go over there, click the follow, and you will be notified over there. And you can as well go to my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel you will see that I have uploaded a couple of videos which you can watch. Of course, they are educational, so for those who are first time there with me, you have some bonus or benefits. Okay, just go to the website, see the last updated videos and try to understand them. Okay, you'll definitely learn something. And if anyone is interested to join our team, if you want to speed up your learning process and join our wonderful team, which will help you understand the market behavior, then feel free to send me the private message if you have any information, or just go straight to the website redditmaster.eu. Under the membership tab you will find the memberships, and then once you complete the payment, I will give you the access with the lifetime access to all the educational stuff, to our trading community, trading room, our trading sheet. Okay, so as you know, we have a Excel sheet which is well programmed by one of our traders. He did a really good job for that spreadsheet to be programmed, and it's just for the learning purpose. So every one of us take the same trades, same stop loss, same lot sizes and so on. Okay, but very good thing to train yourself. I invested in USDN last 15 days. What do you think? USDN, what do you have invested? Yeah, that's going higher, but it ain't gonna go far. Okay, anytime soon we'll have a correction over there. But sorry. If you bought it, then great. If you sold it, then you did something wrong. Okay, so this has to go for at least one pullback, and then it'll still continuously pushing higher. So something like this, okay, running flat over there, and then next push to the upside, it's possible over there. So even one smaller running flat is possible before this one big will appear. So something like this, struggle there, going lower, giving you something like that, going higher, and then go for the deeper one, and then it will continue its way to the upside. So kinda complicated structure how it stands right now and where it is right now. Hope you didn't sold it. If you sold it, try to find its way to manage to get out of the trade. I will leave this room open for next 5 to 10 minutes maybe. If you guys have any questions, we can watch charts together. If you have any question, just feel free to ask, right? You've bought USDN at 2.6667. Let's see. Let's check where you have bought. Okay, so let me just. Oh, you did a good job. Okay, if you bought it that low, that's great. Then you have to slowly see if this starts to losing its momentum. You can take off your profit, let it drop, and then you can buy again. Okay, you can buy again once this running flat will be completed, or if you decide, you can just put it on break even and let it go. Okay, that's the other option. How far it can go? Yeah, kind of far. We can even reach this top over there, so but not without correction. Okay, so as I said, we need to have a correction before next leg higher will appear over there. So these going higher, deeper, and then they will go something like this before next push to the upside. But very good buy it's over there, definitely where you have bought it, so you're safe. Now you just have to decide, would you take the profit out, or would you just put it on break even and let it do whatever it wants to do. Maybe it's better to take off your profit. I always prefer taking off the profit, because another setup means another opportunity for you, so you always will have the opportunity if this goes higher. If not, then that's great as well. If you took a profit, then you book some profit and you are not in the trade. I will leave this chat open for 5 more minutes, and then we will end the webinar over there. So you have 5 more minutes to ask anything. You bought sport area. Okay. That's what we are not recommended to trade on. So probably you're trading based on support and resistance, right? We really do not recommend taking trades or trading based on wave analysis and on support and resistance. It's kind of confusing and it's not something what you can rely on. So I would really not recommend to anyone take trades based on support and resistance. Very gambling stuff. I've been trying to trade with support and resistance for a couple of years, but it didn't generate a profit to me. I was just kept losing, and it didn't work because it's too easy. When I see support and resistance, I said it's not gonna work because it's too easy. So if support and resistance trading will be that easy, that probably everyone will be generating millions of dollars across the market. So I really don't trust it, and been backtesting it for the couple of months. Didn't plays out for me well, so good for you if it works. You like investing, I like trading. I do invest sometimes as well, but mostly I am trading. Investing is kind of boring stuff. You put the trades there and you just have to forget it. But I love to be there in front of the charts every week, every day, let's say like that, and watching where we can make some money. That's very good. Then we are on the same side. I'm still same in this business for 11 years, so I almost know every technique on the market, what works, what doesn't work. Yeah, it's kind of nice. A lot of experience during those years, yeah. Okay, so guys, nice to meet you too, buddy. So I'm from Slovenia, a little small country in the Europe. Okay, so everyone, I will end the webinar right there. If you will have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video, so I will answer all your questions that you will have in the next webinar. And if you would love to be notified when we are going live, just hit that notification, turn on that notification bar and hit that subscribe button. And if you want, you can as well join in the Telegram group, so you'll be notified when we are starting with the live. Okay, so thank you everyone being there. Enjoy your day and stay patient, of course, and a lot of wonderful, amazing setup. Take care. Bye bye.